Rím Coirí.
Hokey pokey. Cuirsúla cali, cluas the catch, agus changa frig sa chuire. Mascasteach dúanala, íaltóg agus olfeist. Cuiristeach banya géir, anish, aber na focal dríochta. Plish, crickle, pizzazz, tá sé ré.
Ceistena. Ceiste héan. Cad a churann tú sa chure? Ceiste dó. Cad a bhascann tú isteach? Ceist a trí. An gurrann tú isteach banya géir? Ceist a cethair. Cad iad na focal dríochta?
A Rím Coirí is a boiler's rhyme. So hokey pokey is hocus pocus. Cur, so cur is the verb to put. Cuirsúla cailí. A cailleach is a witch, but súla cailí is the plural, so eyes of witches. Cluas a critch, which is ears of cats, and changa frig, and tongues of frogs in the sachuira in the cauldron. Mask means mix. Mask is stock duan alla, mix in a spider. Íaltóg are a bat, and olfeist is a monster. Cuiristeach banya géir, put in banya géir, that's sour milk. On anish, now, say the focal dríochta, say the magic words. Plish crickle pizzazz. Tá sé ré, it is ready.